knife isn't too thick. Some of these are just scabbers. Some of them are cutting. That's kind of a cutting blade. So let's see. That's not too bad, but you got to coax it a little. So I'm going to sharpen the side that's on. If I'm going to sharpen those gently, I'm talking a 1/16 of an ounce of pressure, just like that. You can go right down in the little ones. 2 corners, one there and there. Tungsten carbide, 90-degree corner, will go right to the bottom of every one of those. So maybe I'm out and about. This was made to fit a watch pocket where there isn't anything else usually, okay, except keys. So we pull that out of there and we would do this. That sharpens the serrated edge. Then you'll bump real light and then flat. Real flat. Don't tip it up, just like that. Okay, now we're just going to go along like this. Like that. Don't press very hard at all. Let it work, don't make it work. And let's see. A little bit more. That's pretty sharp. I wouldn't make it sharper than that. You'll actually have it so sharp that it won't hold an edge. I'm impressed. How you doing?